Elliptic curve cryptography. Elliptic curve cryptography, or ICC, is an approach to public cryptography based on the algebraic structure of elliptic curves over finite flags. ICC allows smaller keys compared to non-IC cryptography or based on plain Gauss phase to provide equivalent security. Elliptic curves are applicable for key agreement, digital signatures, pseudo-random generators, and other tasks. Indirectly, they can be used for encryption by combining the key agreement with a symmetric encryption scheme. Elliptic curves are also used in several integer factorization algorithms based on elliptic curves that have application in cryptography, such as Lengstra elliptic curve factorization. Rational public key cryptography is based on the intractability of certain mathematical problems. Early public key systems based their security on the assumption that it is difficult to factor a large integer composed of two or more large prime factors. For later elliptic curve-based protocols, the base assumption is that finding the discrete logarithm of a random elliptic curve element with respect to a publicly known base point is infeasible. This is the elliptic curve discrete logarithm problem, or ICDLP. The security of elliptic curve cryptography depends on the ability to compute a point multiplication and the inability to compute the multiplicand given two original and product points. The size of the elliptic curve, measured by the total number of discrete integer pairs satisfying the Survey equation, determines the difficulty of the problem. The U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NICT, has endorsed elliptic curve cryptography in its Suite B set of recommended algorithms, specifically elliptic curve, Diffie-Hellman, or ICD-High. For key exchange, the elliptic curve digital signature algorithm, or ACDCI, for digital signature. The U.S. National Security Agency, or NCI, allows their use for protecting information classified up to top secret. However, in August, the NCI announced that it plans to replace Suite B with a new CIFAR suite due to concerns about quantum computing attacks on ICC. While the RIC patent expert, there might be patents in force covering certain aspects of ICC technology. However, some argue that the U.S. government elliptic curve digital signature standard, or ICDCI, and ICT FIPS, and certain practical ICC-based key exchange schemas, or including ICD-High, can be implemented without infringing them, including RSI Laboratories and Daniel G. Bernstein. The primary benefit promised by elliptic curve cryptography is a smaller key size, reducing storage and transmission requirements, i.e. that an elliptic curve group could provide a same level of security afforded by an RSI-based system with a larger modulus and correspondingly larger key. For example, with elliptic curve public keys would provide comparable security. History: the use of elliptic curves in cryptography was suggested independently by Neal Kolbitz and Victor S. Miller. Elliptic curve cryptography algorithms entered with used in public key cryptography is based on the intractability of certain mathematical problem. Early public key systems based their security on the assumption that it is difficult to factor a large integer composed of two or more larger primary factors.